Hey guys, welcome back from Insanity Films, and today I'm going to show you how to do this! Oh wait a second. I just wanted to let you know that if you want to get more information on how to get views and get more popular on YouTube, check the link in the description down below. That's what I use, TubeBuddy. Obviously this was a quick breakdown tutorial-ish, but if you want a full tutorial, please let me know in the comments down below and I will do a full tutorial. It's really easy, it's really fun, and it's very effective. I posted it on Instagram and it went pretty well. I got many comments, few likes, it was really cool, the feedback was nice. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Really quick, really short, I know, but still pretty cool. If you want to know how to make it properly and if you want me to make a full video tutorial, I'll be happy to. Just let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, as usual, Insanity Films out!